ready for departure at runway 25 center, departing west. Frankfurt Tower, Wire 1 is 17 nautical miles to the east at 2,600 feet, inbound for landing. Lufthansa 594, line up and wait runway 25 center, line up and wait runway 25 center, Lufthansa 594. For takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 25 center, Lufthansa 594. United 58 Heavy, number 2, runway 25 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 25 right, United 58 Heavy. Frankfurt Tower, Swiss 2 is 17 nautical miles to the east at 2,500 feet, inbound for landing with information hotel. Frankfurt Tower, Singapore 350, ready for departure at runway 25 center. Number 1, runway 25 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 25 left, Swiss 2, Lufthansa 594, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Lufthansa 594, good day. Frankfurt Tower, Victor India Charlie 08, ready for departure at runway 25 left, departing east. Victor India Charlie 08, line up and wait runway 25 left, line up and wait runway 25 left, Victor India Charlie 08. And 1. United 58 Heavy, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway, cleared for takeoff, runway 25 center, United 2795, Wilco, United 58 Heavy. Victor India Charlie 08, frequency change approved, good day. Frankfurt Tower, Singapore 350 is 14 nautical miles to the east. Shuttle 194, line up and wait runway 25 center. Line up and wait runway 25 center, Shuttle 194. Golf Oscar Lima Delta Sierra Tango Alfa Romeo, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Golf Oscar Lima Delta Sierra Tango Alfa Romeo, good day. Frankfurt Unicum, Echo India Victor Alpha 111 is clear of all runways. Frankfurt Unicum, American 679 Super, taxiing to runway 25 center.
Frankfurt Unicom, Delta 96 Heavy, going around.